Hey, what's up everyone? So I'm guessing you got a fancy camera, you switched it on for your vlog, and then you positioned your fancy accent lights all around, and then this happened. Don't smash your camera and lights just yet, there's a fix, let me show you. So the problem is that we have a shutter speed that is out of phase with your LED refresh rate. Luckily, we can change the shutter speed. On my Sony a7 III, it is adjusted using this slider. In this scene, we have the 3 lights, the TV panel, and the bulb behind the TV as problem areas. Right now I have the shutter speed of 1/8000th of a second. Let's try a few different speeds to see if we can really minimize this strobing. Here is 1/1000th of a second, much better, still see problems with all 3 areas though. Here is 1/100th, all 3 regions are much better. Here is 1/130th. It's not completely perfect, I doubt many would notice. It is certainly way better than where we started. All fixed? Now my lights are only as ridiculous as they're meant to be.